Most legitimate reward game apps don't force you to finish every offer within a strict countdown timer, although individual promotions or sponsored offers can still include their own completion deadlines. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 apps where you can generally play at your own pace, and what no time limit actually means. The first app is FreeCash. FreeCash rewards users for completing sponsored game offers from advertising partners. Many offers let you progress over multiple play sessions instead of requiring you to finish everything in one sitting. Before starting an offer, always check the listed requirements, because some advertisers include their own completion period. Next is Cash Giraffe. The app rewards Android users for spending time in supported mobile games. Since rewards are based on gameplay rather than racing against a countdown clock, it's a good option for people who prefer casual gaming sessions. Third is JustPlay. JustPlay lets users earn rewards by playing games from its library. You can typically play whenever it's convenient, and your earnings build through normal gameplay. The app focuses on regular activity rather than forcing players to complete challenges within a short deadline. The fourth option is WinJustPlay. Android users earn points by discovering and playing featured games. Because the platform rewards continued gameplay across multiple titles, you can usually return to your games whenever you have free time, instead of feeling pressured to finish immediately. The fifth app is iRewardedPlay. Like Misplay, Rewarded Play encourages users to try different mobile games and earn points through continued play. The experience is designed for long-term use, making it a good fit for players who want flexibility instead of time-sensitive competitions. Here's the part many people misunderstand. No time limit doesn't mean every offer lasts forever. Sponsored game campaigns can expire, advertisers can remove offers, and reward programs can change over time. The important difference is that these apps generally don't require you to complete an entire game during one session, or within a few hours after installing it. Before starting any offer, read the reward requirements, keep game tracking enabled if the app requests it, and avoid uninstalling the game before your progress has been credited. Those simple steps help prevent missed rewards. If flexibility matters more than speed, FreeCash, Cash Giraffe, JustPlay, Misplay, and RewardedPlay are all solid choices. They let you earn through normal gameplay instead of rushing to beat a countdown timer. If this comparison helped you find a more relaxed way to earn rewards, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best real money gaming apps for 2026.